Hello and welcome back to the Yak Chat channel. In today's tutorial, we'll walk you through everything you need to know about managing your group tags. To create a new group tag, open the Contacts window by selecting Contacts from the pull-down menu. Click the Add Tag button next to Add Contact. Enter your desired tag name and click Save. Your new group tag is now ready to use. There are multiple ways to add contacts to a tag. When adding a new contact, go to the Contacts window and click Add Contact. Fill in the contact's details. Then select one or more tags by clicking the corresponding checkboxes. To add a tag to an existing contact, open the Contacts window and select a contact. In the Contact Information panel, click Add Tag if they have no tags. Or click the plus button to add an additional tag. Select additional tags by clicking the checkboxes. You can also add tags from the Chat window. Navigate to the Chat window via the pull-down menu and select the chat with the contact you want to tag. Open their contact information using the button in the top right corner and add the desired tags from this panel. To remove a tag from a contact, open the Contacts or Chat window and select the contact you want to edit. Deselect the tag you wish to remove by unchecking the box. This can also be done in the Group Tag page. Navigate to this page by going to the Contact window and then selecting the Group Tag tab. Click on the group tag you want to remove a contact from. Hover over the name of the contact within the Tag Information panel and click the cross. If you no longer need a tag, you can delete it by clicking the three dots in the Tag Information panel and selecting Delete Group Tag. And that's a wrap! Now you know how to manage your group tags like a pro. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Yak Chat tips and tricks.